Hi everyone, I am Farasat Saeed from Sawal News TV. Viewers, I have very special episode for you today that is related to disabled persons. Before starting that topic, I would like to wish everyone a very safe time during this coronavirus pandemic crisis that exists everywhere in all the world. You are aware that disabled persons are facing a lot of challenges when they work in organizations. They are deprived, they do not get those facilities that they deserve. And above all, if you are aware that the unemployment rate for disabled persons is higher than non-disabled persons, that is around 10%. Over 1 billion population of the world is disabled. Now, there are a lot of organizations, social welfare organizations that are working to help these disabled persons to get their living on a standard level. Apart from social organizations, governments are also working on their extent to find out some solutions to the problems that are being faced by the disabled persons. But I am going to propose a plan for disabled persons where they will be able to get their self-esteem raised and they will be able to promote themselves by their own activities. It's a kind of organization that is developed only for the disabled persons, whether they are deaf, they are mute, they are handicapped, or they are blind. They can work in that organization that is self-revenue generating organization that is formed, established only for the disabled persons, and disabled persons will only be the ones who will occupy different places in different divisions of the organization. There will be facilitators who will help these special persons or disabled persons. They will provide them training, they will provide them hands-on experience. This support from the facilitators or non-disabled persons will continue until a time period where these disabled persons will be able to get themselves in a position that they will be running all the segments of the business. Now this all organization will comprise of different divisions. First of all comes the induction process. First stage in the formation of this organization is induction of the disabled person. There will be doctors, there will be team of experts and consultants who will recruit these disabled persons. They will evaluate their skills, they will evaluate their disability, and they will propose what aids are necessary for them, what accessibility aids are required for these disabled persons that will help them during their performance of their job, different types of activities or tasks that they will be assigned to them. After passing to this stage, these disabled people will be accommodated in different divisions of the company, and they will be trained there for a certain period of time, maybe 1 year or 6 months. The facilitators will be helping these disabled persons on their routine tasks, and they will transform their knowledge and experience to these people until they will be running all of their job description, they will be performing their all of duties with their own self without the help of anyone else. Now there will be different departments where these people will be working, like HR, administration, accounts and finance, marketing, and any other normal business department that can exist in any organization. This organization will be working as a full-fledged business organization that works for the profit. Their ultimate goal of this business organization will be the same as of any other organization. As you can see the high-level design that is in front of your screens, that an organization that is being managed by BIC. BIC is a consulting company that will oversee all the process from establishing of this organization until the time when they will hand over all the knowledge and experience to the people who accommodate this organization. Alongside BIC, there will be a team of many consultants who will work in different segments of this organization, like in marketing, sales, human resources, administration, and all the facilities that are developed for these special persons or disabled persons. So what I want to make a point is disabled persons are the ones who are deprived there are many reasons that they were not able to regain their self-esteem, or they were not able to raise their standard of living, even if they are working in a very prominent or multinational organization that do cares about their feelings and about their self-esteem. But the problem, the real challenge that they face is that even the people, their co-workers, are less willing to speak to them. They are less willing to resolve the issues. So what happens is, when when disabled persons do not get the treatment or the response from the others, they get into a state of self-deprivation, and they normally develop many kinds of psychological problems. To avoid this organization provides an infrastructure, facilities and environment that is only for the special persons or disabled persons. There are like-minded people who work there. There are facilitators who are willing to cooperate and engage them in all their activities, so that to empower them to work for themselves. Even if a person is employed to work in a sales and marketing position, that person will go in the market, whether it is blind, deaf or handicapped. I have designed complete program of it. I have designed job description of these people that I will share soon with you, just to give an impression that how successful this organization can be. Over a period of 4 to 5 years, you will be able to see the results for which this organization is established. So thank you very much. Stay tuned. I'll be sharing more information about it. Thank you.